Today we searched for elderflowers that don't grow by the side of the road. For this recipe, you need 60 to 70 elderflowers, 4 to 5 lemons. Choose lemons with smooth skin that are soft, as they have more juice. You also need 50 grams of citric acid, 4 kilograms of sugar, and 4 liters of water. You can find the list of ingredients below the video. Place the lemons in a large bowl and sprinkle with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Then pour water over them. Let them stand for a few minutes. After a few minutes, scrub each lemon separately with a sponge. Take 2 lemons, remove top and bottom, and then cut them into rings. Cut the remaining 3 lemons and squeeze their juice. Take a large container and then place the flowers in it upside down. Stem up, flower down. Then squeeze it with your hands. Now for picking elderflowers. Elderflowers are best picked in the sun because that's when pollen concentration is highest. I've counted 65 flowers, neither 60 nor 70. Add lemon juice. Then we pour 4 liters of water. Let's dip the flowers like this. It's best to do this in the evening and let it sit overnight. Along the way, while going to the kitchen or bathroom, you can squeeze out extra like this. Place a wooden spoon on top and cover with a cloth. Here we are on day 2. The flowers and lemons were soaked in the water, and now we should remove them. Squeeze the flowers with your hands and remove them. Take a large bowl, a strainer, and strain this liquid. You will need a larger bowl, though not too large, as long as it suits the purpose. Keep in mind you need 4 kilograms of sugar. Add 50 grams of citric acid. Now strain the juice again, but through a finer sieve. Then add the sugar. Now mix everything and let it sit for a while. As you or someone else passes through the kitchen, stir this future syrup. Once the sugar has dissolved, taste the syrup. I made myself a glass of juice from the syrup and, according to our taste, more citric acid should be added. So I will add another 20 grams. You may not need to, depending on your taste. Some may prefer a little sweeter. For me, 50 grams were enough last time. I will stir it again and leave it until the lemon juice dissolves. While waiting for the sugar to dissolve, I washed the bottles. From this recipe, we get 6.5 liters of elderflower syrup. Now place these bottles in a tray and transfer them to a cold oven, then heat it to 100 degrees Celsius. We also add corks. When the oven reaches 100 degrees Celsius, leave the bottles to stand for 10 to 15 minutes. Pour the syrup into warm, sterilized bottles. Now seal the bottles tightly. Take a pot, place a cloth on the bottom, and put the bottles on top of the cloth. pour enough water to cover the bottles, allowing it to boil gently. Something like this. And now we carry it to the stove. When you place the pot on the stove, set it to medium heat. After 10 to 15 minutes, turn off the heat and let everything cool. Wipe the cooled bottles and store them in a dry, dark place.